Why I say all my work is based on Ho'oponopono, because it's the only thing I practice, yes? But I always said you have to have balance in your life, yes? So if you are too spiritual and too out there, doesn't work. And if you are too intellectual and too grounded, or, it doesn't work. So how you find that balance? And I found the balance by doing what I love, finding my passion, by, no, I wouldn't say mistake, by I stumble. I wasn't looking for passion. I wasn't looking to change careers either. And the other thing that is very important, and I will be sharing with you, is that when I realized I was going to officially teach, because I was teaching with my teacher, etc., I started teaching by myself, but it was my hobby. But when I realized, I told my teacher, okay, I'm going to go and take classes, yes, because I'm an accountant. I don't know anything about public speaking. So he said, no, that will take all your naturality. All you have to be is yourself. So you wouldn't imagine, the weight off my shoulders of, oh, I just have to be myself.